So apparently the internet thinks that everything can be solved by using rice. If my hair falls out after this, I'm suing someone. The Wi-Fi. I'm suing the Wi-Fi.
Because I love DIYing and I love making the homemade masks, I have practically scrolled like half the internet by now.
And I found this video of this lady who claims that this mask of hers will turn your hair into this very shiny and reflective kind of thing. And it uses only 2 ingredients. So I'm gonna try it with you guys right now. So let's cook. Adding our star ingredient, the rice, and a little H2O to cook this rice. Now, first thing, we have already put it on the stove and we have to use a lot of water because we have to overcook these rice. I don't know if that's enough. We have to overcook. And by the time it's cooking, we are going to prepare the second ingredient, which is fenugreek? No. Flaxseed gel. Now there might be a problem now because I don't have the flax seeds that she used. I have the roasted ones. But I guess it will be the same, right? It'll just have a little less omega-3. Yeah, I guess so. We can use that. So in a different pan, add a spoonful of flax seeds and a little H2O. We will make a gel out of this. We are going to cook these two things. You have to overcook the rice. And for the flaxseed gel, it'll just be in a manageable consistency, okay? One thing that I really liked about that lady's video is that she was so detailed. She told everything.
And she also said that you have to wash your hair before you apply this mask and you have to wash your hair after that as well. So while both of these ingredients cook and come into their best ever versions, for my hair,
I'm gonna wash my hair till then. For the rice, almost all the water will evaporate or will soak into them so that it's like completely mushy and really soft. And for the flax seeds, it will just turn a little colored and into a gel form, not too thick. I am back in my red pajamas because I really don't care about this. And मैं एक बार head wash करके आ गई and it is still not cooked. It's almost done but not completely done. So while ये खत्म हो रहा है, I will do my rice breakfast, which is fermented curd rice. Because this is so good in dieting and it is so easy to make. You all should try this once, okay? And ignore the background rice. खा के दिखाए And let's add the rice into the grinder, in my case, which is a chopper instead. And while filming, the gel became too cold to be strained, so I had to add a little more water, heat it again, and then strain it in a different pan to add it into the rice so that I can blend it. So make sure you don't do this mistake, okay? And as you can see from my disappointed face, I definitely did something wrong. It wasn't blending so well. But hers was really smooth. Should I add some water? Well, could there be a thing that she used a mixer grinder and I used a chopper? So it's not as smooth as hers. Can't do it more. Light chali gayi yaar. What the hell? It's not that smooth. But the electricity went off. I can't do anything now. Hee. So we will be having to work with this one. मम्मी ने घर से बाहर निकाल दिया कहते कि अगर गंद डालना है तो घर के बाहर जाओ. Well, the application is very easy.
first things first, third things first. She said that as long as you're applying this all over your head, there's absolutely no method to apply it, so you can just apply it whatever way you want.
Well, the application is very easy.
It's sticky, but it's not sticking. I do not have any hopes for this as of now. Oh my god, I wasted 2 spoons of rice. Oh, this is so awful.
And the application is not at all either.
Just applying. What is wrong? What did I do wrong? I don't like. Plan of action, just finish it. Who comes up with these ideas? Like who?
कि राइस को पीस के लगाएंगे बालों में. Like how?
Alia, that why it did not turn into a paste like hers? You tell me in the comments. But now I'm scared. What will happen in the shower? Okay, I tried my best, guys. This is my best. We have to cover it in a shower because rice is sticky. It will dry out. And we don't want that, maybe. Yeah, that's why we have to cover our hair in a shower cap. I am not liking the feeling of this. It's not good. Okay. Okay, let's talk a little bit while it, works its so-called magic on me. I honestly hate it by now. I don't know about the results, but I'm definitely not trying this again. No. We have to keep it for like 45 minutes to an hour. But I can't wait to wash them. Now, I washed my hand after that. It's hella sticky and it's not smooth. It's not. I don't know what is going to happen to my hair. I'm scared. Also, I broke my nail.
Amazing!
As you can see, this one. I was trying to open the door and it just snapped. And now I'm confused कि मैं सारे कट दें. You can see? मैं सारे कट दें या फिर just let this one grow silently. I don't know. You tell me, guys. And I am back from the shower. And this is not the result, obviously. Although I was so scared to take a shower with that because I thought it will stick to my hair and it will not come off, but it came off pretty smoothly. So yeah, if you want to try it, so far you can try it. On the touch, I didn't feel a lot of difference, but we will see if it shows like the shine she says after it completely dries. Okay, we will see. Till then. Okay, I take my words back because the hair is hairing. Honestly, I had no hopes with this mask because it was too grainy, it wasn't sticking to my hair, and I was scared that it will not wash off my hair. It feels like a spa, like I did a spa treatment. I did not style them, I just quickly blow dried them. But this definitely was. I know I said I will not try this mask again because it was too messy. But the results are so worth it that I will have to try it once again. But next time, I will have to make sure that I make the right paste with the right consistency. And you tell me what I did wrong because I think it was the consistency of the rice. The rice wasn't cooked perfectly or that gel too thick. I don't know what happened, but the consistency wasn't just right. The lady who made that mask, she had this very smooth, like a cream, very smooth, but mine was way too clumpy and way too textured. But even that worked. And yes, I can say that after the trial that you can also try this. Worked absolutely amazing on my hair. So yeah, I think the internet was right. Rice does solve your problems and I'm not suing anyone. Not suing the Wi-Fi. And this is what it looks like side by side, the before and the after. I don't know if you can clearly see the results, but I am just so obsessed with my hair because previously it does look very shiny, but it was very frizzy and very rough. But right now, it's very smooth, like very smooth. And if you enjoyed watching me nearly destroy myself for the internet to the internet, you know what to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel and share this with everyone. And I will see you soon because we are just getting started.